Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to. Oh, sorry.
Maybe I should take a sip of it too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is what it is. If you're returning, thank you for coming back.
I'm sorry, child.
So today we're gonna be doing a mukbang, and we're just gonna go with the flow because we hungry. All right. So we went to where we go?
Naughty Cajun crab.
Right, we went there, and it smells good, baby girl.
You didn't even introduce your guest.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. So today I have my two sisters here with me. Period. This is Deja.
Hey guys.
And this is Micaiah. Welcome. You probably seen both of them on my channel before.
Have I been on here before?
Yeah. Oh, baby girl. Oh, wait, it come with two?
What? Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. I'm about to be full.
Whoa. Let's calm down a little bit. Okay? All right.
So we went to Naughty Cajun Crab. And... Say your grace. Amen. So we went to Naughty Cajun Crab, right? And I got me some oysters, raw oysters.
I want to try it, but I don't want to waste it.
Okay, and crab roll.
Oh.
I don't know if I can see it. I got crab roll.
I got crab roll too.
Oh, crab.
I got some seafood boil.
I'm sorry.
Shrimp.
I'm gonna say sorry that I read because I've eaten. Y'all. This is really scrumptious.
Child, I don't know if I'm talking. Okay.
Dang, she tearing that thing up.
Right.
I don't know what that was either. But it's here now and we're gonna accept it. But look at what happens right after that scene. Look at this. Look. Complete and utter silence. The original cut is 30-something minutes. And there were a lot of parts of that silence. And yes, I will be including them.
Let me get into these oysters, child.
Introduce.
Let me get into them. Smells like the ocean. And some of you girls.
Oh!
Was she wrong?
Hot sauce?
Did she lie?
What's the letters on there?
It says HR. Harder sauce. That's not it. Start over. I would have got 12 if I had the money for it. But Child was only able to get 6.
What is that?
I gotta say some type of hot sauce. It smells like hot sauce. Look at her. Get into her. Get into her.
Huh? What?
I need me some of baby.
Oh. Okay.
You is nasty.
This isn't nasty. It's good, bruh. Like,
Ew. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
yeah, I don't think I like that. Amen. That's where it's at. Start somewhere to end up somewhere.
Sad. Let me tell you, I was rooting for them.
Right.
We all were.
He was our last hope. He really was.
I was so mad when I saw that. Like, he
And
was my
4K.
man.
Right.
I wish I had his number. I would have been. Are you serious? Is this what we do?
Is this what we represent?
Honey, use your brain.
4K.
Them hoes ain't got nothing on the
But did you watch Zoe's Messy Monday? How he was saying that he feel like the girl and the guy set him up because all of a sudden she promoting her stuff and he promoting his album.
They probably did set them up.
Probably did.
And Kim was dumb enough to fall in the trap.
Exactly.
Men in general.
Don't you hate women?
Right. And we love
Right.
women.
I'm disgusted. I don't see the inside of it. What is that?
That's the oyster. That's the meat.
That's what I'm like. It looked like a snail.
You know who Carmen and Corey is?
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Seasoning. He's saying.
Chicken a
bite. Sorry.
Sorry for the reach. What's the word? What they be saying?
Excuse me. Oh, should we do that smash or pass it?
Child, yeah, because we gotta out. Let's do kiss.
I don't like
Kiss
kissing
Killer.
people.
Kiss
I
Killer
don't want
Mary.
to smash him.
I want to
I don't
smash.
like kissing people.
The people on my list, yes, indeed. Over the first 3 years, we all gonna name somebody.
Okay.
You start.
Michael B. Jordan.
Stop, because I knew you were gonna say that first. Like I was trying to wait to the second round. So
Because
I
that's
get
the
in
first
there.
person that came in my head too.
Right.
First of all,
like,
smash.
as soon as you said smash, kill, kiss,
Michael B. Jordan is not
Michael B.
dying.
Jordan.
Michael B. Jordan is not dying in my book. No.
Michael B. Jordan.
Sexiest man alive.
That fine man.
Oh.
Michael B. Jordan, if you're watching this,
Hey baby, hit my line.
I can 100% assure you, ma'am, that he is not watching. So we can calm down. Because he has better things to do.
And because, come on now.
hear
Why
her
are you
line.
yelling?
Hear her line. She love you. I love you too, but this wifey right here, her.
This wife, you ain't.
I'm wifey with her. I might be 19, but, you know, I'll be 20 in a few
Age
months.
don't even matter, sweetie.
Like, that makes a difference, right?
I don't know, baby. It don't taste like it, but it's good.
Really?
Yeah, that was the end. That's it. We only listed one person.
It don't. Like, no, it's not giving me.
But is it good though?
It's not giving me.
It's not giving me a lobster roll from Cook's Kitchen that's closed today.
Baby, this is crab. This is a crab roll.
I know, but I'm saying, well, it's not giving me the life as much as a lobster roll.
It's probably
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm sweating. I feel like I'm
hot. That's why I'm so quiet.
right there. I feel like.
What are you saying? It's a bunch of mumbo jumbo.
I swear, if a wasp fly in this.
Don't even. Why would you say that? You always setting this up for failure, bro.
No, I'm not.
Neighbors gonna hear us today.
I bet the neighbors hear
My name.
No, don't start. Don't start with me. Alright. What?
Cheers.
What?
Cheers. All right.
Please.
I can't. We should just at the beginning.
Why are we cheering in the middle of the mukbang? She said.
Cheers.
Our food is gone. Okay, guys. Cheers.
Because I used to put something on my
I'm hungry.
I couldn't wait.
I'm starving.
Okay. I'm trying to
What's that? Me and my ancestors. I said ancestors.
Ancestors.
Ancestors, go. want me to do with smash, marry, or kill?
We said Michael B. Jordan. That's it.
That's everything. That's it. Everything. I'm not killing him.
Yeah, I'm
Trevor Jackson.
Girl, here you go.
I feel like I.
What you mean he out?
What? I said, here you go.
What? What was you about to say?
She said, I feel like I would kill him.
She's probably gonna kill my man.
No, I didn't say that. I was gonna say. So it's between. Wait, but we need a third person. I gotta come up.
Right,
with
Diggy
That's too
Simmons.
much thinking of. Ooh, Mariah.
Okay,
What
Diggy.
you even?
That's my baby father. My husband.
That's my baby
Wait,
father.
wait.
My life.
That's my baby father. On word.
Period.
9 months pregnant.
Her. Okay, so
Wait.
wait.
Let's exclude Michael B. Jordan and replace it with Jacob Lattimore.
Mariah, no.
Yes. Jacob Lattimore, Trevor Jackson, and Diggy Simmons. Smash, marry, kill.
I don't. Do we have to kill him?
I'm sorry. But
It
that's hard.
really is. Well, I'm marrying Trevor.
I'm marrying Diggy Simmons.
I'm marrying.
Actually, no. I mean, I said Jacob Lattimore.
Oh yeah.
I'm marrying.
Actually, no. Let me not do that. Let me not turn Jacob down like that.
I'm
'Cause he's
gonna
really
kill
important.
Jacob. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm smashing Trevor, and of course I'm marrying my baby father, my husband already. See, I'm sorry. I be asleep. I need to wake up.
First of all, I'm sending you his album after this. If you want to listen to it.
Okay.
First of all, let's talk about Grown-ish. You watch it?
Of course.
First of
Child,
all,
I didn't even watch that. I didn't finish last season.
first of all,
I don't remember.
Zoe
anything.
is the most self-absorbed, selfish person I've ever watched on TV.
Yeah.
I hate her.
I don't hate her, but she just doesn't.
No,
like,
because if
do
she
too
was
much.
my friend, first of all, we wouldn't even be friends. I would cut her off so quick. Like, no. She
You
do too
didn't
much.
have to do that to sis.
I don't know. I mean, I love Yara, but she played our role too well. Because, like, I be looking
Yeah,
at
I
her
love
sideways. Like, do you ship, what's it called, Zoe and Aaron?
Yeah, I don't like Luca.
I don't like
Well,
Luca.
I don't.
Luca.
They don't. I don't know if they're like them two together. I don't know.
Because Zoe and Aaron kiss, like, how many times? How many times y'all gonna
I'm
kiss?
probably just saying that.
If y'all don't get together, no, because okay, if it wasn't Trevor Jackson, it was a completely different man. That's how I look at it.
What about Cash? How do you think about Cash? I
I
miss
like
Cash.
Cash.
I miss him too. They were cute together.
I liked her with Cash.
Mm-hmm.
But
Did
like,
he do something?
Didn't he transfer schools?
oh, he could transfer schools.
But did
I
he
think
cheat?
so.
Did he do something?
No, he
No,
cheated.
He did? No, he didn't.
See, we can't do this.
This guy looks so pretty.
It's so pretty, right?
Look at the tweet.
Look at the tree.
I'm
We
scared.
need to go this summer. We going somewhere.
We were supposed to do something with the girls for
The
Christmas. Like all of us were supposed to go somewhere, but then I don't know what happened. We all just stopped talking to each other.
Happens all the time. Not surprised.
Not when Deja wasn't in the chat.
I wasn't in the chat.
She was in the chat. She just didn't talk.
My sis was like,
We ain't doing this, so I'm not even gonna put my 2 cents.
No, because I really don't text in group chats. I
I
really
know.
group chats. I
Me
don't-
too,
I don't
to be
know.
honest. It feels like every time I talk in a group chat, everything goes silent.
Not everything was silent.
But
Oh,
everyone-
Mariah!
literally, that's how it feels. And it's just like, I'll be like, hey guys, and everyone's just like,
Hey guys, so da-da-da-da.
yes, I did that.
And
You
you
was
was
a
a
super
super
check.
check.
I was an employee.
And I wasn't getting played. But period. You in my business?
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
That was the end of the video because half of it got corrupted towards the end. And also while filming the video, right, I ran out of storage. So we love to see it. Sorry for this like mess of a video I put out to you guys. I just really wanted to put a video out before the year was over to give it like, you know, the last like hoorah like in the year, you know. Yeah. So like I don't leave y'all like hanging like until 2021 and then upload something. But yeah. That was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell for every time I post a video. yeah, that's it. And also a big shout out and thank you to my sisters Makai and Deja for being in this video with me, this mess, this journey of a video. Go follow their Instagrams down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be coming out in 2024. Goodbye.